Yo, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the top 5 best landing page builders for affiliate marketing. With that said, let's get it. Okay, so in this video is gonna be short, snappy, and straight to the point. So the very first one that made it on our list is gonna be quick pages. So quick pages is simple, free, fast, and one thing I like about it, their templates are straightforward. They don't have pop-ups, or they even don't have ads on their landing pages, so that's really good. And I created a sample landing page that you can take a look at here, and this is a landing page that I just put up in just a matter of minutes, and you can also do the same. So when people land on this landing page, all they don't have to do is to click on this and it pops up, collect their email. And the only downside with this is that you have to integrate this with your email autoresponder like Getresponse or MailChimp. If you don't have Getresponse or MailChimp, you can use a tool called Zapier. You can get the free plan for Zapier. Connect quick pages to your autoresponder. It's that fast and easy. So the second big dog that made it to this list is Wix. So Wix is really good, and I used Wix when I was getting started. So it's really good, straightforward, and you get unlimited landing pages. You can play around with that, creativity, everything. So the only downside with Wix is that you get a banner ad or something like an ad on top of your landing pages. So that's the only downside with it. But the, the, the software or the landing page builder is very easy to use, and can just get started that fast and easy. Number 3 is of course the most common, Weebly. Weebly is easy. Everybody has used Weebly and everybody knows Weebly. So create a landing page is easy. Sign up with your Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Create an account, log in, add a landing page, and you give a custom domain. You use the free domain, don't have to buy any domain. So this is a sample landing page that I made to promote clickbank offers, and it's that simple. When they click on this button here, they get taken to the sales page, and I've been making some sales using this. So that's really easy and straightforward. Then the next one is the obvious and the most common, ConvertKit. ConvertKit is easy, straightforward. Literally anybody can get started with email marketing using ConvertKit. It's good when you're just starting out. You get up to 1,000 subscribers, and that is enough to get you started. By the way, all the links to all these landing page builders are going to be in the description of this very video, so you don't have to worry about memorizing any of that. So the ConvertKit is easy. All you have to do is to click on create a landing page, and they have a bunch of landing page templates ready to go. You can just play around with in just a matter of seconds. So ConvertKit is also another good one, so you can use that. Then the fourth one is going to be Aweber. Aweber is good. They give you up to 500 subscribers. You can collect emails, send broadcasts, create campaigns, all that good stuff. So they have a bunch of templates that are ready to roll that you can play around with. You can also migrate from other email providers to Aweber. It's really good, and their pricings are also good if you decide to upgrade. The other email marketing softwares that you can use that are paid are Builder, and Builder has a plan where you can get started just for $1. You can try the software for a month, and they give you all the features that come with the software. They used to have a free plan, as per now I don't think they have a free plan, but I happened to get an account when they had a free plan, and with that free account you can create landing pages or even funnels, anything. So this is how the free account looks like, and you can play around with that. Everything is so responsive. easy to use, and it is very, very beginner friendly. The other paid one that I really like is Getresponse. Getresponse is good when you're just getting started. They have landing pages, funnels, automations, and all that good stuff. So Getresponse is good when you are just getting started with email marketing, and by far they have the best email marketing automation I have seen so far with other compared to other email marketing services. So Getresponse is a good one. You can get started with that one. It's fast and easy. Their first basic plan costs about $15 for an email list of up to 1,000 subscribers. So you can move after you hit an email list of 1,000 subscribers with ConvertKit. You can choose to migrate to Getresponse and start paying $15 a month. That's really amazing. Then the last one is a bonus for you guys that I got and I stumbled upon that had a really great plan that is simple and you can use. So this is a Site.pro and it's easy to use. You can migrate from any other landing page builder to this one because I think they have the cheapest so far I've seen on their market. So with $2.85 a month, you can get up to 3 websites, and there are no ads on your websites or anything like that. You can also copy or import any landing page you find on the web, and it will clone it for you, customize it, and it's all that fast and simple. Then the other good one is the other good thing about Site.pro is that they are not overly expensive. They have a good customer support, so you can get started with that one. And that is it, guys. So if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you really hated it, give me a thumbs down. And with that said, you know what to do. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.